Overseas Family School's French program offers a stimulating and enriching experience that connects students to the richness of the French language and culture. The program is designed for students of all levels and addresses not only language acquisition, but also cultural understanding.
The 4 language skills, listen, speak, read and write, are taught through various activities to facilitate the communication in real-life situations. Learning French from a young age facilitates the students' adaptation to an international world as they may discover new perspectives of life and points of view.
And it can help students in real-life situations if they travel or if they even want to do some studies in French or in a French-speaking country.
OFS teachers use authentic materials that enable learners to experience French as it is in real life.
For example, they will listen to a song about food and role-play buying food at the market, wider sentences and discover new recipes and specialties they may wish to taste in their life.
Students will be encouraged to communicate confidently, think critically, and develop a global mindset.